Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Repair Live. In today's video guys, we'll be working on the BMW here, but first guys, thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel, it means a lot. So, if you have a BMW 3 Series guys, generation 2005, 2013, and it's an all-wheel drive, it's an XI, like this one is 325 XI, and you're trying to locate the fuse for the transfer case, we'll show you guys how to do that. Now in our case, we might have two fuses for the transfer case, so we'll cover both of them. In addition guys, that BMW generation, the E90 E91 E92 E93, they use three different fuse boxes, so yours might differ depending on the model and the year, so always double check everything. We have more than 200 videos on this car guys, so please give a thumb up, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and now we're going to go ahead and show you how to get to the fuses. You need to come to the passenger side, open the glove box compartment here. Everything needs to be emptied. Let me get that prying removal tool to point with it. We'll get that cable out of the way right here. You can see those turning things. You need to twist them 90 degrees. To be up. This one too. And when you do that, it's going to come off and you pull it out. Now that's where your fuse panel is. That's where all the fuses are located. So now we could have two of those. The first one is number 20. So number 20 guys, you can see, this, let me grab the red thing so I can show you a little bit better. This red square here, are fuses, so let me get the light a little bit better. Like that. Number 20 will be the fuse on the bottom row, the very right one. This one right here, that 5A fuse in our case. So you can pull it with the fuse puller, use the small side of it. Let me see if I can get in there. Pull the fuse. This is it. This is the fuse. Replacement fuses guys, you can see where we get ours from in the description of the video below. So I'll go ahead, push that one in, and show you where the other one is. The next fuse could be, it's a major fuse, it's fuse number 38. So now that's a pretty big fuse, and let me show you where it's located. So you see that that panel right here have the medium fuses. If you go on the second row, the middle row, and the one on the very right, this fuse right here, this is the one for the transfer case. Again, you flip the puller on the other side now. Let me see if I can pull it out quick. This is it, and that's the fuse for the transfer case. So any of these two fuses guys, check those if you have problems with the transfer case. Now again, I almost dropped it. BMW uses three different kinds of fuse panels. So check that, and if you need help with anything, let us know. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.